We back. Getting fully loaded. We were in Glamis 24 hours ago, and now we going back. Had to come back for work, but we on now. Grind don't stop. The party never ends. We going back to Glamis. Let's go.
We out here, baby.
Let's go.
On the road.
Oh, shit. He's leaving me behind. Uh-oh. What you gotta get to get them angles, huh? Alright. Make sure to edit all that out. Yeah, right. Ready?
Leave it in. Am I ready? So ready.
Let's go. From Glamis.
So ready.
From work to Glamis to work to Glamis.
Come on.
Let's go. Alright, it's time to gas them up. Taking the Can-Am this time. Gotta test out those new lights. What up? More on that later. I want to give a huge shout out for Noveside for sponsoring this channel. They have a plethora of off-road lights for your Can-Am, side-by-side, Sandrails, truck, whatever you got, they got it. They sent us over some lights to throw on the Can-Am, and we've been testing them out, and they've been doing really well. Really reliable and really good quality lights. They don't only have off-road lights, they have lights for your headlights, for your cars, for your trucks. They got everything. They got a plethora of lights to choose from to outfit your ride. If you guys are looking to outfit your ride, use code ALDRED at checkout. They're throwing off 25% for you guys. It's a really good deal, and every purchase you make helps out the channel. I really appreciate the support. Here we go. Thanks, Biden. That's your boy. Already starting off with some tire problems. Nice. Wish us luck. I've seen worse. Let's roll. Alright, let's check on this tire. Damn. Looking better than the way we started. Yeah, that's right. We still out here. Time to gas them up again. Get all these cans filled up. I'm about to go bust one in the bathroom right now.
You're gonna do what?
I gotta pee.
Jesus, that don't sound like pee.
Yeah. Alright. Stay tuned. Let them know we're here.
We out here!
Let's go!
This is a show. I fucking love it.
Alright, we made it to Glamis. Can't see much.
We out here, baby. Oh, you can't see me? Oh.
Nah. Wrong light. There you go. Now we out here. Shout out. Let's go, Martian Whips. Get yours linked down below. Aldra Productions. Actually, just code Aldra to get you 15% off right here. Look at these.
15.
Look at this. Look how bright these damn things are.
So bright. So bright.
Back at it again with Devin's long ass pole.
Oh, baby.
Come on, extend that thing.
What'd you say? Straighten that thing?
Just extend it.
It's a little cold, bud.
Not really. It's kind of warm out here. You don't even need a jacket. Stay tuned.
Whoopsie.
Here we go.
Back.
We are back.
Oh, what's up?
So bright.
Need a ride, girl?
Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go.
Is it survival?
Oh yeah.
I can't take that ride.
We're ready.
How many OGs remember that commercial? Youngsters don't know nothing about that.
Nothing. It's almost 2 a.m. We're about to head to the hill.
Night ride, gas them up!
Hopefully Devin doesn't kill us.
Stop it, dog. Good time, baby.
Speaker works pretty good.
Oh, man. We out here, baby. Oh my God, look at that. Crazy.
This is insane. People everywhere. Holy crap.
Show her nothing, baby.
stupid.
You guys gonna make me pick it up? Monsters! People suck!
Pick up your trash.
We're parking at the top this time, baby. Let's go, Kennedy, let's go!
Going?
Good, Isaac, nice to meet you, buddy.
Anthony, nice to meet you.
I actually commented on one of your TikToks. You guys said, I'll be out here in the Wonder Bread car.
Oh, let's
The
go.
Wonder Bread car.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
How's it going?
Be out here, baby.
Let's go.
Oh, it's for you.
Yeah.
I love it. How we doing?
Oh yeah. How's it going?
What's your name, bro? Morgan. Nice to meet you, dog.
Let's go. Right here. Nobody saw that. There we go.
Rolling?
Nah.
Alright, cool. Hey, if I can work for like 2-3 weeks in a row, go on a no sleep, show up an hour ago, get to Olds, and pick up this much trash, y'all ain't. You really want Glamis to close down?
Pick up your trash.
Is it that hard? Can you see me?
Hey,
Oh, now you can see
now
me.
I can see you. Shout out to Marshall Whips. Hey, if everyone picked up their own trash, we wouldn't have this problem. I missed it! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, I know that's right.
No, you didn't. Hey, drinks? You owe me a Coors Light.
Look at that.
Flagging.
Let's go. So it looks like everyone wants to close down the dunes here, huh?
I've been here 1 hour. Look at this.
I know some of you are watching. This is some of your trash right here.
Hey, oh, someone else will do it. Nah. I'm someone else. You guys suck. What's up, cuz?
Let's go!
We out here, baby.
Big foes.
Look at this bag. 2 people. Full bag of trash. It's messed up, guys. Come on. Nobody wants Glamis to close, but nobody wants to clean up.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous. It's 3 a.m. in Glamis. Do you know where your kids are? Oh yeah, they ain't out here. They're losers. What's up, cuz?
Are these seats heated?
Oh yeah.
I'm cold.
Look, it's so warm. Heated seats. Get out of here. Stop it. What more do you want, dog?
That bitch.
What?
Nothing.
Go ahead then now.
You're
We out here. You heard?
A few moments later.
Wendy, still out here. Some of us more than others. Oh, whoopsie. Welcome up. What the hell is that?
What?
Ain't no Coors Light. We'll delete that.
Like,
Sorry, kids. We'll delete that.
yeah, take two.
Take two. He's tired.
Hell yeah. Show off those shirts. Let's go.
Yeah, look at
Representing.
Yeah, appreciate the sport, boys.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, guys. What's up, man? What's up?
Nice
How
to
was you
meet
guys
you.
tonight, man?
It was
How your
good.
night?
We got in at like midnight.
That's what the lady was telling us.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's down by us.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at this truck, dude. This thing is f***ing sweet. Holy. How's it going?
Yeah, we're just trying to get out of here.
Sick ass truck, man. Hell yeah, dude. Sweet. Hell yeah. Hey, what's up? Hell yeah. Got some more fans with this badass truck. Alright, after a long, rough night, it's time to wake up and get some daddies. Let's go. Damn, it's so windy here today, huh? It's crazy. It's dope. Yeah, what up? Still a little bit too windy to ride right now. We're gonna wait it out, but we're gonna head to the hill in the Can-Am. Let's go. See if there's anything going down at the hill. Probably not, but let's roll. It's insane right now, but we're still out here. Reporting live from Glamis sand dunes in a sandstorm. It's windy. It's sandy. The mountains are still blue though. We out here. What's up? Be the next one. Come on, say it louder. Let's go. Woo! It's a little windy, but they ain't gonna stop us. We're still out here. Like nothing. Oh yeah. Tell all your friends about it. Let's go. Alright. I love this view up here. Oh yeah, he's hurting.